5 Best Car Headlight Assembly. Here is the product number 1. Car Spot Worklight Lamp. Brand name, FADUIES. Material type, aluminum alloy. Special features, Car Spot Worklight Headlamp. Type, cool white 30-degree spotlight. Lens, included. LED power, 48 watts. Optional color, black. Color temperature, 6000 K. Material, die-cast aluminum housing. Mount. Here is the product number 2. CO Light 7-inch LED Headlight. LED power, LED chip. Color temperature, 6000 K. Material, die-casting aluminum alloy housing. Lens, drainable polycarbonate. Housing color, black. Angel eyes color, yellow ring or white ring, you can change it by yourself. Adapter, built-in adapter, make install easier. Here is the product number 3. FADUIES 2 pieces 7-inch LED Headlight. 100% brand new, top quality. Brand name, FADUIES. Super bright light and high efficient. Durable, long life, optimized heatsink design. High or low beam configuration. LED headlight built-in EMCD coding function, it can prevent flash effect. Light color, daytime running light. Here is the product number 4. Round LED headlight with Angel Eye Auto. Brand name, CO Light. LED beam, LED high beam plus LED low beam. Material, die-cast aluminum housing. Lens material, drainable polycarbonate. Up high tonal beam, driving beam. Lifetime, 50,000 hours above. Special features: waterproof, dustproof, shock resistance. Here is the product number 5. Round LED Fog Light Headlight. Brand name, Urban Road. Material type, aluminum plus toughed glass plus plastic. Special features, fog light. Features, LED fog lights for Jeep Wrangler. Function, accessories for Jeep Wrangler. Lens, included. For vehicle brands or model, Jeep. Item type, headlight assembly. Mod. Check the description below for the link and more items. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Like, comment and share.